Welcome back. We created the recycler view and we need to display items in this recycler view. So the first step is to design the layout, the custom layout for each item in this recycler view. Go to layout, create a new layout resource file, and I'll name it as item layout. Click OK and go to split mode. This layout will contain 2 text views and 1 image view. 1 image view to display the image of the item and 2 text views to display the title and the description of this item. I'll start with the image view. This is our image view, and I need to change the height of this layout to wrap content. Okay, and you can see it. It's better now. The image view is centered vertically. I'll create the 2 text views. This is our title. Now I'll create another text and make sure that you set them to white because the background of the recycler view will be this color. And here we go. This is our layout. You can see it here. It's more clear. This is our image view and 2 text views, one for the title and one for the description. This layout will act as a template for every item in the recycler view.